What up, gang? It's your boy C-Spec, man. I'm in the build. Got these rims finally mounted up on the C10 Chevy. Today we are going to see. I still got some LMC parts here, man. Still got to put my passenger side door handle on. Got a bunch of little things right here I need to install, and I got to install these windows onto the C10 also. I got some windows for the doors, for the vent windows. I got to get all that stuff right, man. So, but yeah, C10 right here, man. Check it out. This is what the wheels look like on the C10. All right, let's flip it around. Boom. Let's see it right there, gang. Check it out. I don't know what the lighting looking like right now, but I'm gonna try to do what I can so you guys can get that good visual. Check it out. Boom. Oh yeah, let's see it right there, man. It's that rear right there. 22s, gang, 22s. That's that front. Oh yeah, that's it right there. All right, gang. Tell me if it ain't beautiful. Tell me if it ain't beautiful. Tell me if it ain't beautiful, gang. Let me know what you think. Let me know. All right, so we got the rims finally mounted up on the C10. You see that? Yeah, looks real good. All right, so what we're about to do today is we are about to throw on a little quick upgrade, man. If you're having issues with your windows not wanting to function correctly, like sometimes you got to play around with your switch, you might need to get you another harness for your window, okay? And just so you know what's going on right here, if you look in the LMC catalog, you will see where they have a window relay kit, which is gonna allow you to get some real good power straight to your window motors. If you got a real slow window motor, you look at LMC catalog, you order this relay kit, it's gonna get 12-volt juice straight to the motors, and your windows are gonna go up and down like brand new, okay? So definitely check that out. In the meantime, I got these parts right here from LMC. We're gonna replace this harness right here. It's very quick and easy. As you can see, this is the replacement right here. Okay, gang? The replacement harness right here. I'm gonna throw this baby on with the quickness. And it's a real simple upgrade. Real simple. Only thing you gotta do, man, is just pop your old one off and you just matching the wires up. That's it. Just matching up the wires. As you can see, these old ones are all brittle and everything. You got wires coming out, like right here. This one comes out occasionally, and I lose control to the other side and have to play around with it to get that thing back working. But real quick and easy, man, I'm gonna grab my wire crimpers. We're gonna crimp these babies. First of all, we're gonna cut these off, splice these, well, crimp them, and get the butt connectors on here and get this stuff hooked back up. So let me go grab my crimpers and we're gonna get to it, okay? Man, I am back up in this bitch, you feel what I'm saying? Boy, got the Chevy C10, getting ready for the summertime, man. Had to switch the feet up, trying to decide what I'm gonna do with the other feet. My brother got a C10. I owe him $1,000. I might hook my bro up. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might sell these things. You know, I got options. They fit this Impala right here, but as far as the width of the rims, I'm skeptical on that. So I'm gonna have to test fit them on the Impala. I might throw them on the Impala. We're gonna see, but let's go ahead and get this harness thrown on here, guys. I'm gonna cut this. Well, I'm not gonna cut this because I don't feel like putting another one on. So I'm just gonna run this through here, get it up out of here so I can just run my old one, my new one back up in there like so. All right, so check it out right there, okay? I got my ground going over here. So I'm gonna cut this, all right? Cut all these, matter of fact. Let's see this. And make sure I get the same thing for all. Let's make sure these colors looking the same. So as you can see on the new one, there is no, it's a blue, black and blue. This one right here is brown. Then you got blue there. Then you got the tan, and you got blue and white. So they're pretty much, they're all the same except for, well, it is the same. Black and blue. Someone, I guess at some point, changed the color. Okay, so everything matches. Let's go ahead and get this thing how it should be. I'm gonna cut them all off. I'm getting rid of all these old butt connectors. We only need one butt connector, man. You need as many original connections as possible to eliminate bad connections over time from weathering, like oxidation and things like that. That's the type of issues you're gonna get when you have 1,000,000 connectors in a circuit. Get rid of that mess, all right? All right, so let's splice these wires. Let's see, we got our blue one. Let's cut that baby, like so. Let's go a little deeper. There you go. I can do away with some of this tape also. Too much tape right here. I don't feel like going to get nothing else. I got a razor blade right here, gang. I keep a blade in the Chevy. You never know when you might need that. Never know when you might need that, boy. So let's cut that. There we go. Get that back away from the, so we can see. Clean that up a little bit. Like so. All right, gang, so we got a little room to work with now, okay? So, let's commit to continuing to get these wires stripped down. Oh yeah, like so. And this right here, doing simple upgrades like this, man, is gonna help improve your connection, your electrical connections as far as your electrical flow. Eliminating all these butt connectors, which is gonna create resistance due to oxidation and other types of weathering that's taking place from the age of the vehicle and whatnot. So we're working on we're making that right, okay? I'm gonna cut this down because I don't need all the excess wire. I'm gonna already have a ground wire connected to the new harness. So let's cut this down a little bit. There we go. All right, gang. Oh, let me get this pink wire right here. All right, I mean, this is an easy process, gang. Little stuff like this is what makes your old vehicle come back to life. People ignore the little things, man. I got new door lock knobs, a bunch of little new things that go behind the scenes that you don't see. Because it's more than what meets the eye. It's more than what meets the eye when it comes to these old schools, man. All right, so my new harness right here. Gang, let's go ahead and get the new harness crimped. Okay, stripped, I mean. Strip this stuff down. There we go. You can get these wire strippers, man, at any, probably Walmart, the parts store. It's not rocket science, gang. Not rocket science at all. I know y'all can do it. Don't ask me where can I get some wire strippers or which gauge on the wire stripper to use. You pick one that looks close enough, and if it don't strip it, you go to the next one. That's all to it. It's simple, easy breezy. All right, see, we got them all stripped down. That should be enough to make a good connection with the butt connector. All right, so let's see here. All right, so you want to use your yellow ones for the heavier gauge wire, which is going to be the pink, dark blue, pink, blue strip, and dark blue. The rest, other three, are going to use your little ones. So we're going to go ahead and get these butt connectors in place, one here. And I actually got another crimper that I use for crimping my butt connectors so I can make sure I get a good connection. So I'm gonna grab them real quick and I'll be right back. All right, gang, for crimping, these are perfect. They give you plenty of leverage, and they got the perfect little crimper in there, man, to get that butt connector nice and tight where it needs to be. All right, gang, got my wires in place. I'm gonna go ahead and hit them with that butt connector, hit them with the crimp, hit it with the womp womp. Alright, so I'm gonna go over a little bit, make sure I'm pressing a little more on both sides as well as in the middle. I can ensure that that crimp holds pretty good. So as you can see right there, it's nice and steady. We got both wires inside the crimp, kind of like so that it is wedged between the portion of the crimp that's going to hold it in place. But all right, so we're going to go ahead and get the next heavier gauge wire, get it in place. Black with a dark blue strip. It's going to be this heavy gauge wire right here. All right, got it in place. Let's get the next one. All right, got that right there. All right, gang, so I got my next one in place. I'm just gonna kind of bend it a little so I can make sure I hold it in place while I get my crimper so I can put the force on this thing, man. Open that thing up like so. Put that loop force on there. That Star Wars force, whatever you want to call it. Just make sure you bite that thing down. You don't want it coming out. As you can see, it's in place. All right, so that's two of them. All right, gang, it's a simple process, man. We're just gonna knock the rest of them out. You pretty much got the hang of it, though. I mean, it's not rocket science, but you rock with me, you rock with me. You can see it through. But this is just so that you can know the process necessary as far as some basic things you can do to upgrade your wiring on your Chevy, man, so that you can you ain't got to worry about poor connections when you hit a bump and things like that. So this is our third heavy gauge connection. I got my little little wedge thing up on the top, so make sure I position my crimpers the right way. It's up top. Stick this other wire in there. There we go, gang. One bite down is actually enough, but I'm just gonna go a little over to the right of that first crimp and a little over to the left of it, just to make sure I'm engaging everything in there. Got that thing just right. As you can see, boom, nice and tight, gang. Whew. So I'm gonna finish this up and we shall return. All right, check it out, gang. I just finished getting this thing hooked up. Got the harness in place. I already got a door panel and everything. I got it off right now because I'm about to replace these windows, and I'm gonna replace the the railing that the window sits in. So I just left all that out for now. But all right, gang, this is the window operation. See, window speed, real nice, gang, real nice. And when I replace that rail, it's gonna be even smoother. I'm gonna get in there and put some fresh oil and everything in there. Passenger side working real good. Yeah, everything looking good, gang. Everything looking Gucci in this mug, man. But I had to come to you, share that experience with you, man. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on. No. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the other side, gang. You feel what I'm saying? Get that thing thrown on so that I can you know, have the electrical components in the Chevy on point. And that's what it's gonna be like, man. But this is your boy C10 Kurt. I hope you enjoy the way it looks, man, with these brand new wheels on the truck. Not brand new, but fresh wheels, man. Cop these things as you saw in previous videos. Got them repowder coated and all that stuff. So things coming together for the Chevy. Real nice, real nice. And we're gonna keep it going, man. I just ordered a brand new fan setup for my truck, man, because the radiator combo kit that I ordered in the past only came with 80-watt fans. And those things are not cutting it, man, for the heat that's coming upon us right now. So just ordered some freaking 265-watt Durelli, however you pronounce that. Ordered that from Jegs today. They should be on the way. Hopefully I have them by the weekend, get them things thrown on, be able to sit in the drive-through all day. Ain't got to worry about this thing overheating at all. So stay tuned for that. Definitely gonna share that with you. It's your boy C10 Kurt. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, man. Yo, appreciate the support. Y'all hold it down. Peace.